Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Dr. Muhammad Aslam Faroqui, Principal, Government Degree College, ZAHEERABAD. This is a informative and preparative video how to create the academic audit files. The GDC's teaching fraternity knows that recently Commissioner of College Education has given information that there will be an academic audit in the college for the academic year 2020-21. For that there are three types of formats, and this is the format 3 faculty pro forma. Each faculty had to fill this pro forma. In this pro forma they are asking please upload the project in the PDF. Details of student study projects. At least one project shall be supervised by every faculty per year. In other columns, they are also asking please upload the details of activities in PDF. For uploading a file, we need a platform where we can have a file which can be shared. That file can be shown here as a uploaded file. For that purpose we have a facility, and I want to share this information with our lecturers those who want to fill this academic audit. You know that we are having our emails, and in our email that we are having this facility of Google Drive. For every email we have a Google Drive. You go to this dots and click the drive. In the drive you have to create a folder by click this new and file upload and folder upload, and you can create a folder here also. More means new folder we are having, like that we can create. You have to name this new folder like audit or what 2021 whatever, create. So here I have already created a folder. This I want to show you. NTR GDC Urdu audit. In that folder you have to upload your whatever the information asked in the audit pro forma. After how it can be uploaded, you have to click this new and file upload, and you can upload the folder also. For file upload you go to the your computer where the file is there, and from that the file will be uploaded here. For example, this is the BUA study project they have asked. I have uploaded the study project file. After uploading you have to click this share option, and here you have to change this anyone. There are restricted, you only will see, anyone everybody can see. After changing this anyone, you have to copy that link. After copy this link you have to go there, and in the which column they have asked, in the 6th column, details of student study projects. At least one project shall be supervised by every faculty per year. Please upload the project in PDF. Here when you copy that link, kindly select this PDF like this, and in the insert column you go to the hyperlink, and after clicking this, in the down box you have to paste that hyperlink, and you have to click OK, and your link is created now. If anybody want to go to that link, here you have to put your cursor. Here it is showing the control plus click. After pressing control and click, your file will be open. So every lecturer have to follow this for preparation for of academic audit. Once again, I after copying this link, copy the linked copy and go to the here once again I am showing PDF, and you have to go to there and click here address in the address box and paste and put OK. Your link will be created. This blue color, paste, put your cursor here. Here it is showing control plus click. So in the system you have to press the control button, and in the mouse you have to click. Your file will be open. So like this you can create your PDF files link, and the audit team will check this. So you have to provide this type of Word file to your academic coordinator or the academic audit in charge. Like this we can create our format 2 and the format 1 of the principals also. I think this information will be useful to all the faculty. Thank you.